two blocks for showing our clients or partners are similar to blocks with repeated content, but they deserve a special treatment in a separate video. So let's first do a simple one. We basically have a couple of columns which display our partner logos, and in WordPress we use block content to define the partners and their logos. So we defined block content partners with children added as Google, jQuery, Lego, and so on. So let's look at how they are defined. It's just a name and featured image with their logo. So I was lazy, so I just uploaded a couple of logos I had. I didn't go and look for actual logos for these companies. And then, okay, we added it to the page. We go export the theme, and let's go to Customizer, reload it, and here they are. We just have to set content source to partners, and here they are. So let's take a look at the second partners. I'll delete this one. The second block for displaying partners, and this one is more interesting. Let's check it out first in WordPress. Again, set partners, and here it is. So let's have a look at how it is made. So the layout is a bit specific because it has two rows, and in each row there can be up to 4 columns with partner icon. So again, on the section we defined customizer section and customizer control for data source, which will choose one of our blocks content pages and display its children in a loop. But because we need 2 rows, we could not simply use a loop and simply repeat one column. So how we did it, that's the approach, and this can be quite useful with loops where we want to, let's say, show first 4 results in one way and then the following results in another way. So we added the loop action on the first row, and it's same like we can see throughout blocks. We use get theme mode of our data source control to get blocks content, items, children of this page, and we show them in menu order, but we limit the number of items that will be shown to 4. And this setting is not the same as the setting that decides how many posts we will actually get per page from WordPress. So this setting tells Pinegrow how many results to show. So even if we get 10 results back, we will only show the first 4. And the name of our custom WP query loop is clients. So then on the second row we add the loop again, and again we use clients as its custom WP query name, but then we don't set anything and here we check continue previous loop. And again, number of items to show is 4. So what this will do, it will not run a WP query again, rather it will continue through loop through the query we got here. And each is limited to 4, so first 4 items will be shown here, and then the rest of the items from up to 4 will be shown here. And if we look at the code, PHP code, we can see, so here are the arguments for the WP query, here we run it, and here we have the first loop, and here for the first row, and here we have the second loop for the second row. So we were using number of items to show to limit how many items we actually show, regardless of how many we got back. And on the second loop we used continue previous loop, we used the same ID, the same custom WP query name, and again we used 4 to limit how many we want to show.